Other people, bro. What was I saying? That one song. It was like, wait, what was the beach house music? Did Come on, bro. The like, that's dangerous. Oh hell yeah. Bum bum. Sweeps out range low. Are we in a gap? We are in a gap. Respecting this gap. Sweeping out range low. You love to see it. Nice. This is such a clean Judas, pre-market Judas. Not gonna take it, but like, it looks nice. Yeah, the thing is, bro, you just never know how 9:30 is gonna open up. Like 9:30 could literally just be so sporadic, bro. It could open up, just dip down here, and then go back higher. Like it's so weird. Like so, or any key open for real, bro. That's why you don't want to take a trade right before key open most of the time. Like it doesn't even close. Bro. Yeah, fair enough, bro. You just never know, bro. With 9:30 though. Yep. Exactly what I said it was gonna do. Bro, it's literally gonna never mind, it's actually going down. Fuck it. Whatever. Fair enough. Yeah, see it wicks down. Now watch, it's gonna probably hit the DO, dude. See, 9:30 is so fucking cooked for that reason, dude. Or it's just gonna hold this 4 minute intermediate. I don't know. Let's see. See what the US is doing as well. Yes has no gaps. Yes genuinely has nothing. Yeah, bro. Yeah, see how bro, like 9:30 open is so fucking weird, bro. Like, dude, you might have this inverse. I wouldn't take this inverse at this point because, like, okay, could though. Targeting 9:30 low, and this 1 minute though, no, not worth. I mean, fair enough. It does display this. All right, so I kind of missed this short right here. Didn't like the structure of it, but does display this. How it played out. Cool. Fair enough. Takes out the 9:30 low now. Let's see what it does. 9:30 low is still intact on the US. Could just still go lower. And we obviously have range low. The thing about this, like ES was in a spot of like nothing, bro. So there's no distribution to be made on ES. So it's kind of confusing. Uh, the CE of the gap. See what we do. Yeah, we disrespect. Are going higher. You end up barely respecting this gap. Look, you want to see a SMT at the highs, bro. I mean, we have this SMT, but this setup again, I I'll probably fade this to range low, but it's decent. So do we have a 30-second? Yeah, that's getting touched. Now we have like stacked highs here. This is all right, CG. Yeah, like if we get a stop on here, that would be nice. But let's see, see if the high being made. Do disrespect this gap though. We might just run our range high. Taking that. Oof. Our stop gets insta touch. Brutal. Yeah, we're already disrespecting this gap, so that's probably why we just wanted to run out this range high. But other than that, yeah, yeah, it's a decent trade. We had LR at these lows, LR being built up. Right, we already had our stop on. We get our inversion there. Yeah, it's a pretty good trade. I think we had SMT at these highs as well. Like right here, not bad. It's just that we were disrespecting this like gap, and then that's pretty much it. Yeah, and then we run our range high. Probably go higher. Bro, ooh. Anyways,